Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. My name is Renee and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I'm in the thumb of Michigan and I like to do videos on canning and baking and vintage recipes and just life here at this phase of life, semi-retired. And today I'm going to use some cucumbers and onion from my weekly veggie box. And that's my dishwasher. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get all the stuff done before I go babysit my grandson this afternoon. There, I'll turn that off for now. We'll take a break. But I'm gonna make this cucumber salad fast, and then I'm gonna have it over those fresh Redskins tonight when I get home. And I have chicken left over from last night. But I was talking to a friend this morning and she grew up, she's local, and she grew up doing that also. And she thought it was like a German, there's a lot of Germans here, and she thought it was from the German heritage. But there's just something about those warm potatoes and then the cucumbers and that sour cream sauce that is wonderful. It's such a summertime treat. And I've never heard of it until a year ago, and now I'm hooked. So I'm gonna make my cucumber salad and I'll bring you along. And I'll give you a little clip of Missy right now, her reaction when she heard or smelled the cucumbers. What are you doing? Are you gonna lay right there? That doesn't really work for me. You're gonna guard those cucumbers. She came out when she was sleeping in the corner, and she came out when I got those cucumbers out. And she's hot. It's hot here today. Okay, you're gonna have to move. This floor is cooler. Okay, here's my cucumbers that came in my basket, and I'm gonna use this onion. I do like onions in mine. That's totally optional. And this is just one kind of cucumber salad I make. I make an Asian one. I make the vinegar and water, and there's just different kinds I make. But here's the first one that I'm making this summer. This is probably my favorite kind. So I'm gonna wash these and peel them, and I will be back. I'm gonna use this container, and here's my cucumbers. I'm gonna cut the ends off. Here comes Missy, thinking she'll get the ends. And she does. Not all of them, but she gets some of them. See, there she is, huh? Good cucumber, good cucumber. There, that's all you get for now. I'll give you some later. So now I'm gonna slice these up. I don't use a mandolin for this recipe. There's some different ones I do, but I just slice them kind of on the thin side. And I make this the way my mother-in-law told me how she makes it. My first marriage. And she's Polish. So I'm gonna slice these all up, put them in the container, and then I'll show you what we do next. Missy's making sure I didn't drop any. First, she always told me to salt them, sprinkle some salt, give them a stir, and let them sit for a little bit, just a few minutes. So we will do that. And I'm going to slice the onion. The onion I like to be thin. Give it another stir. Break up the rings so that that one's too thick, so I need to eat it. Nothing like garden cucumbers. Okay, let's make the dressing, and it was never given to me in exact measurements. Sour cream. You know, because it depends on how many cucumbers. So I probably have about a cup in there. Then we're going to add like a dollop of mayonnaise. She always put mayonnaise in hers. Dill weed. I like dill. If you have fresh, you can use it. We need some vinegar. There's about 1 tablespoon, maybe like 1.5, 2 tablespoons. Let's mix this up. Some garlic powder. Some pepper. Now she sometimes would add some vegetable oil, and I don't usually add that to mine. I think with the mayonnaise and the sour cream, it doesn't need that. I'm going to give a taste. Need some salt and some more dill. The flavors do intensify as it sits, you know, they come out. And I'll add a little more garlic. Some people, I think, add sugar. I don't add sugar to mine. Now these have been sitting. And they kind of soften up a little from the salt, and it brings out some of the liquid. If there's a lot, I will drain some of that. There isn't that much. So now we add this. Mix it up, and then it goes in the fridge for the flavors to meld together and more juices come out of the cucumber and thin down the sauce some. If you need to add some more sour cream, you can do that. There we go. Take a bite with some onion and a cucumber. So good. This will go in the fridge and it'll be ready by tonight. Home from babysitting, and I am boiling the potatoes, and then I'm just going to mash them the way I usually do. Nothing special, just how you normally make mashed potatoes. So good. Here it is on my potatoes. And with a piece of chicken from yesterday, which I use that Papa's barbecue sauce. It's so good. But here's a bite with cucumbers and mashed potatoes. And it's really good. The textures and the flavors are just really great together. Kind of crazy, but I recommend it. And you can put it over mashed potatoes or just boiled potatoes. I like it on the mashed. I'm gonna go eat my dinner, but I thought I would show you what I was talking about and give the recipe for the cucumbers, and there's different variations, but it's really good. Give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.